Hello and welcome back to Printing United 2023 here in Atlanta. I'm absolutely delighted to be joined by some of my colleagues. We've got Ian, Mark and Camilla. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to ask them a few questions about the show. So starting with you, Mark.
Okay.
How's the show been so far?
Oh, it's been busy. Very, very, very busy. It's nice to sit down. It's been a great opportunity to catch up with prospective customers, current customers, meet some of the end users. It's been great.
Why are shows like this so important for Brett Martin to attend and exhibit at?
Well, they provide an opportunity to sort of meet with the people that we don't meet with on a sort of daily basis. Different markets are different. You know, this is the US market. So yeah.
And things like sustainability, does that come up a lot during the show?
Absolutely. I mean, it's been a main focal point for the show. I mean, we've been pushing out a lot of our eco products and bio products, as you know. A lot of interest throughout the show, so it's been great.
Ian, if you don't mind me asking yourself, seems to be a big focus for Brett Martin. You know, we have things on site that obviously I see every day, but why is that important for Brett Martin? What sort of things are we doing? Why is it important?
Oh, in terms of sustainability, look, you know, I think one of the key things for ourselves, you know, we've had the wind turbine in, we've had the solar field, we've had that for a number of years now. But it's a journey. Sustainability is a journey, and a never-ending journey in terms of in terms of what we're doing. But I think, you know, in our role and as a sales role, we see a lot of customers more focused. You know, they're implementing their end goals, you know, 2030 targets, and in a lot of ways, their targets are required as us as a manufacturer. We're critically important in them achieving those targets. So, you know, we have a very strong message in our products and our energy sourcing and our continued journey. And this show has been a great forum to talk about that with all the customers that have been coming through and asking the questions.
Yeah.
So that's been good.
So that's one thing, sustainability.
Yeah.
What about some of the other themes? I mean, we've had a lot of customers come up to the stand. What are some of the things they're asking? What are some of the things they're interested in?
Look, you know, product range, we've got a, you know, significant product portfolio, and obviously Printing United is primarily focused on Viscom. But there have been a number of customers where we've been able to tell them the opportunities that we've got from the product range and the wider product range. You know, our polycarbonate, our multi-wall, it's opened up those opportunities for some countries and customers from some countries that have been here. So excellent show. It's been a good week. You know, I think obviously we've spoken about customer aspect this week. Adam, you've been really busy doing all our videos during the show and really appreciate that. How have you found it? You know, what's the feedback been and how have you found our approved partners?
The approved partner program is fantastic. It really, really is. It's fantastic for a couple of reasons. One, you know, you've seen it yourself. A lot of the people that come to our stand are the end users. Yeah. So those end users are visiting the stands, you know, of the likes of EFI, Colex, Fujifilm, HP.
Yeah.
Those guys want to see, you know, if you're going to buy a machine, they want to see those machines in action. From our point of view, we want to see those machines in action, but with our products. We want to see our products in front of the end users. Yeah. The other element of it is that, you know, these are big household names. We're talking about, you know, everybody knows these guys. It also aligns us alongside them. It gives us that awareness, it gives us that availability, and it puts us front of mind of our customers. Our approved partner program allows us to do that. You know, they're kind enough to use our substrates on their machines and advertise our products. Yeah. Really, really important for us.
Yeah.
That's awesome. And Camilla, if you don't mind me asking you, this is your first time at Printing United, is that right?
That's right. That was my first time. Yeah.
And you're from a Hispanic Latin background. You've had a lot of customers come up from that sort of background. What are the sort of things that they're asking? What are they interested in?
Yeah, I was very surprised to see a very good influx of people from that part of the world. So Latin customers came, well, potential end user customers as well as potential distributors for Latin America. So I was very pleased to go through our entire product lines and talk about our products and our unique values. So it was very important to create that brand awareness to that part of the world. So I'm very pleased.
And have you enjoyed your first Printing United?
Very much.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. Good. Guys, thank you very much for joining me. I've had a great week. First time in Atlanta. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks very much for joining in all through the week. This is our last video. We'll be back next year, Las Vegas 2024. Thanks very much.
Bye-bye.